To make your own 2021 glasses, you will first need to find images of glasses frames. Again, I used the website Canva for this project. Once you've chosen your frame, you can use the text feature to write out 2021. Make sure to use a bold font. They have so many neat looking fonts, but choose ones that are solid. I prefer finding a font here, but you can use the text in Silhouette Studio and use that font in the program instead. After that, find images of things you want to add to decorate your glasses. I looked for stars and maybe some party poppers. Remember that we will be tracing these images, so choose some that you think will allow for nice clean traces. After all of the images have been uploaded to Silhouette Studio, go ahead and trace those images, making sure to group each image and all of its pieces. Next, you need to make sure that the frames are a good size for your face. I measured my actual glasses and changed the width of the glasses image to 5.838 inches, making sure that the measurements were locked so as to not distort the image. Next, you want to create the temples. Those are the things that are on the sides and rest on your ears. You can also measure these. I found that a width of 3.859 inches and a height of 0.393 inches was a good size. Next, create the temple tips. Draw an oval and then edit the points to make one end of the oval point downwards. Use actual glasses or an image of glasses as reference for the shape. Color both pieces and weld them together. You'll need to add hinges to the sides of the frame. Create a small square and add to both sides, making sure that they overlap slightly with the frame. Color all three pieces and weld. Next, draw a line where the hinge is. This is where the temples will fold over. Make sure to change the solid line to a dashed line. Create another copy of the temple so you have one for each side. Now it's time to add the fun parts. When making your designs, make sure to create a copy of just the base of your design and place it off to the side in case you want to create another. You can create any type of design. I wanted to add 2021 to the top of my glasses, so I adjusted the size so it's not too big or too small. Next, I created an offset which I will weld to the frame. I welded it by making sure that the frame and the offset overlap. I colored it in and then clicked weld. If your lines on the hinges change to the solid line, make sure to change back to dashed. Again, the next few elements are all up to you. I wanted to add and weld stars to the frame. I created offsets for these also. The small stars that aren't welded to the frame will be glued on top and will be a different color. Alright, so here is the finished design with the colors I chose. I created 2 rectangles and 4 big stars because I want to add stars that come out at the top with pipe cleaners. You'll see what I mean. If you want sturdier glasses, cut the glasses twice to glue together. When you are sending, choose the fill option and choose only the glasses first, and then the other pieces like the numbers and stars. If you cut out 2 glasses, make sure to glue them together, starting with the frame. Next, glue the temples. Then glue the temples to the hinge. Since I didn't have glitter cardstock, I added glitter to my numbers and stars. I also used pipe cleaners to attach the extra stars. I first taped one star to the pipe cleaner and then glued another star on top. And then the pipe cleaner was taped onto the back of the frame. And then I glued the black rectangle on top of the tape. After that, I glued all of the other pieces, and here are the glasses. I hope everyone has a fun and safe New Year's Eve.